So here's my new mechanical keyboard. It sounds just like any other mechanical keyboard. It has a removable wrist rest. It's also flexible. Okay, so it's got 19 different lighting functions. I'm not going to show all of the functions, but I'm going to show some of them. It's all basically with the FN and the, I can't even show it, PRT SC key. I'm just going to go through a few of them. So as you can see, you've got a lot of options. There's the one, I'm not even sure where it's at now, where the keyboard is dark, and as you press it, it lights up with each press. There we go. This one's with lines. We're still with the lines. I'm not pressing the right ones here. But it has so many different options. There's another one with only the keys you press light up. Like I said, 19 different options. If you want it to be just black, it's, I believe, function escape. Give me a second. Function escape. Right, and then we have no light on it. It's really a fun keyboard. Whatever you like to have lighting wise on it, you've got an option. Go for it. A lot of instructions on here because 19 different lighting modes is a lot. It's a fun keyboard. It feels like a good solid one. It's comfortable as far as hand placement goes. Nice keyboard.